You got water, bud?
Yeah, I got water.
Ooh, fill it up.
About half a case.
Oh, look, my finger was in there.
Oh, no.
So, Garage Bands Live is going on location today. We got the fireworks. Whoa, it's too bright for that. Fireworks celebration happening out in Heath, Ohio. So we are packed up. We've got the van ready to go. We've got all our stuff. We're just gonna do a little thing, man. The production life. I don't know if we'll stay long enough to film the fireworks. Veronica and the kids are gonna go watch the fireworks from a different spot, but we'll be like deep in there. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be fun. Let's go. Alrighty, let's go. Okay, so we got this big flatbed trailer that we've got to put a whole band on. Thankfully, there's only 3 guys, so they should have plenty of space, but now it's time for the good old-fashioned loadout. We've already loaded in, now we got to load out. And then we got to load in to leave and load out at home. So much fun. It really is that simple. This thing that we built has been so awesome. It looks really complicated, but honestly, it's not really that complicated as far as like a useful tool for us to do what we've been doing. Look, I set that up in just a few minutes. Now the only thing we have to do is route a bunch of Ethernet to where we want our cameras to be, and they all plug in the back. And we just position cameras and we're pretty much ready to go. Love it. Well, not everything can go according to plan. Am I right, Adam? We just lost, I wish we could have got this on film. We just lost our pop-up, man. It took out, thank goodness, it just went straight up and over our desk here and over the trailer, knocked over a tripod. We haven't set up cameras yet because, well, as Eric did that. He said we should wait till after it potentially won't rain. And we, thank goodness we did that, but we lost the leg. Dang, all right, pop up down. I gotta climb up here, say what's up to Jack. What up, Jack?
What's up?
Jack Lutz right here, listen.
Yes.
He's got Hendrix on his shirt. Not because he's a big, huge fan of Hendrix, which I'm sure he is. But this kid literally is Jimi Hendrix. Do a little lick right now.
Oh yeah.
Right. Okay.
Not warmed up yet.
Yeah, he's not warmed up.
Hey, thank you. Thanks for doing sound for us. I'm really excited for this.
You're welcome. It's gonna be a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Oh, look, we're getting our new pop-up.
Nice.
We're not making the same mistakes. No, sir. I'm holding on to this all night long. I don't care. Do you think they're strong enough, heavy enough to hold it?
I think so.
Better than nothing, right?
What can they expect to hear from you guys tonight?
We are an original indie rock band inspired by the likes of Jimi Hendrix and the White Stripes.
How do we find the stream?
That's right, we're streaming live on Twitch. That's twitch.tv/GarageBandsLive. Again, Adam, what's Murphy's Law?
Anything that can go wrong will go wrong.
So we're in damage control now. First it was a pop-up, and then Mother Nature goes, here's another one, boys! So we just, okay, yeah, so we just experienced the torrential downpour. We got most everything covered up, like everything is soaking wet. Soaking wet. We got all the good stuff covered though, like, so this was underneath, but it's not as good as my other pop-up, so this was leaking a little bit. We had the audio mixer covered, cameras were out there under bags. I don't know what to do. We're waiting on towels so we can properly dry everything off, because, well, I mean, all this stuff requires power, and what happens when you mix power and water?
Pure water is fine.
Pure water's fine?
Yeah.
Oh. But what about dirty water?
Bad.
Bad. Okay, so dirty water bad. All right, we got to get ourselves reset here. Really sad, unfortunate reality that we've had to deal with today. Not only the weather, right? There's so many people in the park, and pretty much every one of them has cell phones, right? So the network here, the mobile network, is trashed. On my iPad, I can't even load comments for the stream. So we've had to switch gears to go from streaming and recording to only recording. And it's fine, it's whatever. We make a great recorded quality video, and we have the Rapid Jags showing up at our place in the studio where we don't have to worry about mobile connections in just about 2 weeks. So we're gonna just enjoy the rest of the show and yeah, just have fun, I guess, the rest of the night. And then pack up all our wet stuff, so that's fun. So, the weekend fireworks celebration was cool. We got through it, and now it's a new day, and well, we have to say goodbye to our boys.
Bye.
Bye, boy.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, boy.
Bye.
So it's the 4th of July, currently, and we are leaving to take our boys to camp. I'm kind of excited. This is rush hour, babe.
So I put in the GPS because I mean I know how to get there, but I didn't really know like once I get up there where to go. So the GPS took us a different way than the way I know how to go, and we're definitely in Amish country.
Rush hour.
Rush hour, because we just waited on one, and like this road is so curvy. I don't.
Yeah, you can't
That's
pass.
dangerous.
Yeah.
You know where you're going?
Nope.
Yeah, I'm
Yes.
I'm literally getting ready to pull in the drive. I think.
We're pulling in.
Sign?
Grammy.
Grammy hooked him up.
Really?
I gotta have some snacks and some money for drinks.
Oh, jeez.
You know,
What you got there?
it's
Rice
just the little
Krispies?
Rice Krispies and some Famous Amos, you know.
George is letting out.
Oh, yeah. Get it, Colin. You got it. I know you've been working out.
You sure?
No, I'm not sure. And it's all candy. All of that is
There's
snack.
2 of them.
All of it. You're going too fast. Are you excited to leave me or what? So it's Christian camp for a week. The boys are gonna be having probably one of the greatest times ever. Have they left us for a week before like this? I don't think they've done this
I'm
before.
not both of them at the same time.
Well, I know they're gonna have a lot of fun. Let's check out their bunks. Oh my goodness. Look at the blob! Oh, there's McKenna.
Oh, wow. Oh, I gotta wait for the camera.
You're in charge of these guys?
That's right.
Oh, Lord help us.
Great. What?
I just have a bad feeling. Dave, you can keep them in line, right?
There's no keeping Matt in line. I tell you
Uh-huh,
that.
yeah, I know. What? It's like the blind leading the blind with Matt being in
listen.
charge of these guys.
I'm not blind.
That's true.
Yeah.
Which one's your bunk?
This one's
So that's Colin. There's Carson. All right,
I've
you
seen
guys
both
are
here for a
situated,
while.
right? Yeah, you could wake up and have like the sun just peeking through there.
No,
No?
I want it to be dark.
Oh. Okay. Don't, Mom. Don't do it, Mom. No. Okay, so here's the backstory. Brian came here to Christian camp. Did Kathy? Kathy didn't, did she?
didn't. No, she
Kathy didn't. Veronica did. Stop it.
You know, there's something about it being up here. You know, all those years.
Mm.
I can't. Now, not that I'm implying that you're old or anything. I just feel so ancient now that everybody, you know, people that you were in youth group back in the day when I was faculty, and then the people that were in youth group way back in the day, now they're leading this week of camp, and
man.
so it's pretty cool.
Like Josh, right?
Yeah,
That's right.
Josh
Yep.
was a camper.
I was a camper when Dave was a younger adult.
Yeah.
A younger adult.
Not younger.
Believe it or not, old Dave here had long hair. Long hair. Now look at him.
I looked like Carson.
Mm.
Literally, I did. I
Yeah.
really did.
Yeah, I've seen the
You showed me
picture.
that picture.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh yeah, you did.
Well, I know they're gonna have so much fun, and they're gonna be in the best hands ever. It's amazing. Look at the blob out there. I'm so, like, I wanna.
Are you a little jealous?
Kinda, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm a little jealous I didn't come to
Next year
camp.
you can be a camp counselor.
Yeah? Can I be a camp counselor? Coming soon. Gilly Gill, camp counselor. All right, Liza. It's just us. Are you ready? Are you ready for fun with Daddy? And Mommy. Sorry, I can't forget Mommy. Wait, why are you... My metering just makes everything so dark sometimes. Yo, Carsey. Have fun, dude.
I will.
Love you, bro.
Bye.
Love you, Bobby.
Well, okay. The boys are at camp for a week, and they're gonna have so much fun.
You guys want to go eat?
That's what I just
Yes, we need to go eat. Anywhere fancy.
There's a good pizza place in Mount Vernon.
I'm dressed fancy.
Okay. Do you know where you're going?
Yes, please.
There
Okay.
you go, baby.
Thanks. Man, Pizza Hut
Your pizza.
with the crew. Liza, you excited for pizza? Yeah? We were famished. We had to stop and get some food. Matter of fact, we're really close to Mohican. Mohican is like, we went canoeing and kayaking there not long ago with my parents. And I was like, man, we should go right now. But it's the 4th of July and they're kind of wrapping up business for the day. So gonna have a little bit of pizza and get back home. Maybe watch a movie or fireworks. Anyone know where there's fireworks?
Utica has fireworks and we're getting ready to drive right through there.
Let's go.